In this video, you'll know exactly how to create motion graphics like these for your own videos. Fast, simple, and without any animation skills. Now, let me ask you something. Have you ever seen those super polished YouTube videos with futuristic transitions, glowing titles, and complex animated elements and thought, how on earth do they make this stuff? Maybe you've tried doing it yourself. Messing around with After Effects, downloading plugins, watching tutorials, and still ended up frustrated, wasting hours, and not getting the result you wanted. If that sounds familiar, you're in the right place. Because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you a brand new AI-based method that lets you create motion graphics like a pro. No design skills, no animation experience, and no complicated software. And here's the best part. There are two different ways to use this method. One where you simply describe what you want in plain text, and another, far more powerful, where you take pre-made cinematic animations and transform them into your own branded assets in seconds. Stick with me until the end, because once you see the second method, you'll understand why professional creators are terrified of this technology. So let's reveal the tool that makes all of this possible. The tool we are using today is called AutoAE, and it completely changes how motion graphics are created. We're going to explore two different ways to create motion graphics with AutoAE. One, using prompts. Two, using ready-made templates. And trust me, you're going to love this one. Method number one, creating motion graphics with a prompt. On the AutoAE homepage, click Create Free Animations Now with AI. A prompt box opens, and this is where the magic begins. Let's enter a prompt. For example, create a futuristic motion graphics animation showcasing a 5-step roadmap, and click Generate. Just like that, AutoAE creates the animation we asked for, with the colors, icons, and effects we described. I can edit the text, change elements, and customize the background. Then I simply download the video and it's ready to use. Now let's try a more complex prompt. Create a futuristic motion graphics animation that visualizes the transformation of a simple idea into a complete brand identity. Now here's where we hit a limitation. AutoAE cannot create a 100% custom animation from scratch exactly like we imagine it. It builds animations based on existing animation structures, but that's actually where the real power begins. Method number two, using templates, the real secret. Instead of starting with a prompt, go straight to templates. Just for example, type YouTube in the search bar. Now look at this. You're seeing professional studio level animations, the same style top YouTubers use for intros, callouts, transitions, and visual storytelling. These are not basic effects. These are polished cinematic motion graphics. Let's choose YouTube mockup flowchart, 4 footage triggered from 1 text. Now watch this. The animation looks insane, and it took zero design knowledge to build. Here's all I have to do. Click Customize, change the title text, upload 4 footage clips, switch the background if I want, and preview the animation. The preview quality is low, but the downloaded animation is extremely high quality, and that's it. We've created a professional motion graphic in under a minute, something that normally costs hundreds of dollars and hours of editing. If you scroll through AutoAE, you'll find dozens of templates for intros, product showcases, timelines, tutorials, branding animations, and more. This is why I prefer the template method. It gives you fully built animations and lets you customize them instantly. Now you know how to create stunning motion graphics using AI, either by generating them with a prompt or by customizing powerful ready-made templates. This unlocks a whole new level of creativity for your brand, your videos, and your content. If this was helpful, give the video a like, subscribe, turn on the bell notification, and let me know in the comments. Which method are you going to try first? The prompts or the templates? See you in the next video.